Okay, this video is to explain to you your Google Classroom that I've set up in a way to facilitate team teaching amongst 3 fifth grade teachers. You can see I've created 3 fifth grade classrooms, Henderson, Pepe, and Looper respectively. As of now, they are all identical except for their color schemes. Let me choose one at random just to explain. Okay, by the way, for each of them, if you click on People, you'll notice that I have invited each of you to be co-teachers, which means you have equal editing rights as I do. The only thing you could not do is delete the site. So here are the here are all the people that can edit this classroom. I'm going to go back now to the stream. So you can edit the color, you can add an announcement, you can do anything you would normally do in a Google Classroom because you're a teacher. I'm going to go to the classwork, and this is why it's important. For each of the classes, I've created the same 3 topics: science and applied mathematics, English language arts and social studies, and mathematics. Let's use one of them as an example. Let's use English language arts and social studies. If you click on this link, it will take you to that Google Slides interactive classroom, or sometimes what people call a Bitmoji classroom. And I have showed you in a different video how to create this. It's pretty simple, actually. Let's go back to the classroom, and I just want to emphasize something. If I go back to the classes and look at Henderson's class and go to the classwork and look at her ELA, and notice that's the same room. So she's actually looking at the same room. So all of her students would be able to look at this room as well. Let me go back to the classroom. Let me go to the classes, and let me again look at Pepe. Classwork. Come on, classwork. Go to ELA. Click on that. And again, so each of the 3 classes has a link that goes to the exact same classroom. Here, the English language arts and social studies classroom. Okay, fine. So why is this so important? Here's why. Because when I click on that slide, and this is the slide that I will share with you to edit, who would be in charge of editing this slide? Well, the answer is it would be Ms. Pepe, because she's the ELA and social studies teacher. So let's do a simple edit here. Let's say I want to insert a link, and I'm going to insert a link like this. I'm going to say, I'll just call it link 1 because I'm really super creative. I like to center my links. Okay. Actually, I want to left justify that and center it vertically. And then I'm going to create a link. But before I create that link, I've got to find something to link to, whatever that might be. So I'll search for something that I want to link to. I don't know. Let's look for, it could be any link. It doesn't matter. I mean, it's going to matter because you want it to be the thing you want it to be, but let's look at Native American tribes. I don't know. Maybe I want a video. Choose something. It doesn't matter. I'm going to just choose this video, for example. I don't even know if it's a good video. Obviously, you're gonna want to review the video before you share it. So I'll get a link to this. Copy that link. All right, let's say that's the one I want. And then I'll go back to my ELA classroom and I'll insert that link and apply it. Okay, now when I go there to that link, it automatically takes me to that video. Okay, yay. Okay, so I'm not done yet. Like, that's one thing that I did. And I'm doing that as if I'm Ms. Pepe adding something into my classroom that I want my students to see. This is just an example. All right, why is this important? Oh, let me go back to the classes. Now, I did that in Pepe's room. And let me go to Looper's room. And let me look under classwork. And let me go to the social studies room. And guess what? The link's there automatically. Interesting. Huh. Let me go back to the classroom. Let me go to Henderson's room. Let me go to the ELA classroom. There it is. Go to that link. Huh, look, the link's there. So here's the